In today's video, I'm going to show you my review of the UGG Protector Spray. The UGG Protector Spray is a waterproofing and stain-resistant spray designed specifically for UGG boots and other suede or leather footwear. It's meant to help repel water, salt, snow, and light stains to keep shoes looking newer for longer, and most official retailer listings describe it as non-toxic, easy to use, and suitable for regular seasonal care when applied as directed. Looking at customer feedback on major retail sites like Zappos, the majority of verified buyers report positive experiences. Many say the spray does help protect their boots from rain and light moisture, keeps them cleaner in wet conditions, and seems to extend the life of their footwear when they use it regularly. Ratings on those pages commonly show a high proportion of 4 and 5-star reviews, and numerous users recommend it as a worthwhile addition to UGG care routines. At the same time, not all feedback is glowing. Some reviewers mention that the spray isn't perfect, a few report issues with staining, nozzle problems, or the protection fading over time, especially in heavy wet conditions. These experiences don't necessarily mean the product is a scam, but they do suggest results can vary based on application technique and weather exposure. Community discussions on Reddit show that users are divided too. Some love the spray and feel it significantly helps with water resistance, while others question how effective it really is, especially if it's not applied correctly or if the boots are very light in color. Overall, UGG Protector Spray appears to be a legitimate care product rather than a scam. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.